question is, note the total interest earned on each thing if she wants to invest for 8 years. Okay, first, P equal 50,000, T equal 8, N equal 3, K equal 0.052. And for N, we have to use formula NT and we got 24. For I, we have to use formula Q per N and we got 0.0173. So first, we have to calculate S, which is the formula is S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. So S equal 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.052 per 3 bracket power of 24. So we got 75,524 ringgit 62 cents. For I, we have to use formula I equal S minus P. So 75,524 ringgit 62 cents minus 50,000 and we got 24,524 ringgit 63 cents. Okay, next programmer's name is P equal 50,000, T equal A, N equal 2, K equal 0.053, N equal 16, and I equal 0.0265. So for S, we have to use the same formula, which is S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. So S equal 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.03 per 2 bracket power of 16. So we got 75,982 ringgit 44 cents. For I, we have to use the same formula too, which is I equal S minus P. So 75,982 ringgit 44 cents minus 50,000 and we got 24,982 ringgit 44 cents. So for B, I think Millie should choose Karma's name because the interest is more higher than Alpha's name.
So here the equation of C. After 6 years, the internet rate changed to 6% compound quickly. Find the amount of the investment at the end of 8 years and calculate the total interest earned. The formula we use is compound interest and the present value of S. And the formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. And the P is equal to 50,000, K equal to 0.053, T equal to 6, N equal to 2, and I equal to K divided N, which is 0.053 divided 2, and N equal to MT, which is 2 multiplied 6 and equal to 12. And we use the formula which is S equal P, and P is 50,000 and bracket 1 plus 0.053 divide 2 and bracket power of 12, and the amount of S will be RM68434.87. It's the next amount of investment at the end of 8 years. And we still use the same formula, which is S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. And the P is 67434.87 and K is 0.06 and T is 2 because 8 minus 6, and then M equal to 4 and I equal to K divided N, which is 0.06 divide 4, and N is MT, which is 4 multiply 2 and will be 8. And then calculate the amount, which is S equals 68434.87 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divide 4 and bracket power of 8. And the amount of S will be RM77091.37.
Today, we are solving two financial problems involving compound interest and annuity payment. Let's go by step to understand the solution. First thing first, you need to finding the future value of S. Step 1, write down the formula for compound interest, and the formula is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I and power of N. Now assign the values from the problem. P is 8,000, T equals to 18 years, M equals to 2, K equals to 0.055. The total periods of N is 0.0275. Now substitute into the formula. S equals to 8,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0275 power of 36. Simplify using a calculator so that S equals to 21,243.98. So the future value after 18 years is RM 21,243.98. Now we need to finding the regular payment of R. Step 1, you need to write down the formula for annuity payment. The formula is A equals to R 1 plus I power of n minus 1 per I. So A is the total future value is RM 21243.98. R is the regular payment we need to find. I equals to RM 21243.98. T equals to 4 years. M equals to 2 and K equals to 0.055. Substitute the formula 21243.98 equals to R 1 bracket 1 plus 0.0275 power of 8 minus 1 divided with 0.0275. We need to find the R. Equation become 21243.98 equals to R 8.8138. Solve the R, divide both sides by 8.8143. So that R equals to 21243.98 divided with 8.8138 equals to what? Equals to 2410.31. So the final answer of regular payment R is RM 2410.01.
Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge that Alisha made to settle the loan. And for this question, we will use the formula of annuity and the present value of A. And A is 418,000 and T is 30, K is 0.038 and equal to 12, and we need to find the amount of I and N2, and the I will be K divided N, which is 0.038 divide 12, and then N equal to NT, which is 12 multiplied 30 and will be 316. So we need to find the amount of A first, which is the loan, and A will be equal 480,000 minus 480,000 multiplied with 0.15, and the amount of A will be RM 408,000, and then we will calculate into the formula, and it will be 408,000 multiplied R bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.038 divide 12 and power of negative 316 and divide 0.038 divide 12, and then the amount of R will be RM 1901. Calculate the and here is the total interest charge that Alisha made to settle the loan, and the formula we use is formula of interest, which is I equal to NR minus A, and it will be I equal to 316 multiplied with 1901.11 and minus 408,000, and the interest will be RM 276,399.60.
Hi guys, so I will continue with the next question. For B2, the question says, if she missed her first 6 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her 7th payment to settle all outstanding area? To find the amount that she paid on her 7th, we use the formula S equal to R multiplied by open bracket 1 plus I close bracket a power of N minus 1. To solve the question, first of all, you need to take out all the information given and put it into the formula. So the final answer should be 13,434.86 cents. For B3, the question says, immediately after paying for 10 years, Alisha wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that she needs to be paid, and how much interest is paid? So this question needs 2 answers. First is amount that she needs to be paid, and second, amount interest is paid. So formula to find amount that she needs to be paid is A equal R multiplied by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N over I, and formula to find the amount interest is paid is I equal to N multiplied R minus A. Okay, now you can put all the information that has been given into the formula. So for the answer to the amount that she needs to be paid should be 2,217.01, and the answer to the amount interest is paid is 454,049.39.